Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, July the 18th, 2012. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, a candle with a higher high and a higher low, and a white-bodied candle. Previous day's trading, we had a fairly large white-bodied candle that tested down to the support level around the top of the cloud. The market broke out 4 trading periods ago above the cloud, above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen all in one go. So some very strong upside momentum that the market has continued with. We had a slight retracement over the following 2 days back towards the Tenkan-sen and then the top of the cloud, and we saw the buyers come back in, and these areas of the around the Ichimoku indicators held as an area of support. And today we've seen some solid upside momentum from the buyers, with them making some very decent net bullish progress. Interestingly, they weren't able to close above this previous swing high, so that is an important level moving forward, and it corresponds roughly with this 1378 level. The swing high is roughly about 1375, so that will be an important level tomorrow, extending up to 1378. The buyers have closed with control of this market, and they've maintained the control that they had the previous trading day. The day before that they had a weak control, and the day before that very strong control. So 3 of the past 4 days we've had the buyers with very strong control of this market, and on each occasion they've shown some decent commitment to taking this market higher. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the current first time frame uptrend in relation to the previous time the market was trending up, and we've seen the market trade up through the 50% level, the 61.8%. We closed just at that for the previous day's trading. Today we've seen the market tested the 78.6 and some rejection from above there. So that does set the market up for a potential change of trend, but we don't have any sign of that at the moment, so not terribly confident about having a change of trend. More important, however, is the resistance at this swing high, rather than the Fibonacci ratio, but we do have some confluence of significance there. The 78.6 is only a minor Fibonacci level. But looking at the Fibonacci retracement, and here we see the market interacting with that 100% level. And that's one of the important levels, obviously, because it means that will generally be a decent area of support, and tends to be a swing high or a swing low, and in this case a swing high. So we do have potential for a change of trend, but as I've mentioned, the sellers are still in control of this market and committed. There is no sign that the buyers are still in control of this market and committed. There's no sign that the sellers are attempting to take control. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, we have a bullish market in all 3 time frames, and we have had for the past 4 days, as I've mentioned, and the market's been trending above the cloud, above the Kijun-sen, the pink line, and the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, and the Chikou span is above the corresponding price action, so it's confirming the bullishness that we're seeing in this market. We did have the market retrace back towards the flat Kijun-sen, as I've mentioned, and we saw some buying coming in from the support around the top of the cloud, so very strong support down below here. But moving forward, the buyers are in control. Very strong likelihood that we will test a 1378 and above. We have a minor swing high up here around 1392 above there, and then the 1400 round number may come into play over the next week or so if the buyers maintain this solid upside momentum. But we've had 2 breakouts above the cloud. We failed to see the market close below the cloud, so a fairly bullish market in big picture terms, and the market is set up for a strong test above 1378. A solid bullish close above there could see the market test to that 1400 round number.